How are you finding the workshop?
It's very, very informative and interesting also, and it's a new concept for me. I haven't attended such kind of workshop.
So it's really new
Yeah,
for you.
yeah, it's a very, really, really new.
Okay, so what's your fitness mantra? Do you have a fitness mantra that what do you do to keep fit? Is there anything that you do?
It's a nutritious diet and the activity. That's what we are doing. But after listening to this, after attending this workshop, we'll be more focusing on this nutrigenetics and nutrigenomics. We'll be more focusing on those concepts
So because you know your approach and everything also?
Yeah.
How to function?
Yeah.
So your diet is planned by a dietitian or something like that?
Yeah, it's planned by, but now first of all we're going to ask whether it's a zero copy gene or one copy or two copy, and I'm going to ask this Dr. Kamari also whether he's a zero copy gene.
Okay, that's great. All right, thank you so much for your input. Much appreciated.
Okay,
Thank you so much, and hope you enjoy the rest of it.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.